My name is Omar Abdi. I'm the organizing secretary of Eastleigh Business District Association, EBDA, and also now I'm representing the Jam Street Malls Association, whereby the malls which are affected by along this road called Kipanga Road, which is completely locked by illegal structures, hawkers, taxis, and borders. Whereby we were consisting of 18 to 22 malls, which consist of over 5,200 shops, are affected businesses along this road, whereby the shoppers cannot come in or go out of their place freely because the illegal taxi parked on the road, the borders, the hawkers who are pulling wheelbarrows, and also other structures are on the road. Completely, the main road is absolutely locked, and this is over 3 years now. All these businesses along this road are completely affected by the running of the day because they cannot bring their goods. Their vehicles cannot come in, loading and offloading of the businesses. So we are asking the governor, directly the governor, kindly do something about this road along Kipanga Road, from Bangkok Shopping Mall way to Al Hidayah Masjid or Hanan Fashion, from First Avenue to Moratina. That stretch is completely locked by human traffic. You cannot drive your car, you cannot bring your goods into these major businesses, you cannot go out of these businesses freely. You will be stopped by a hawker, by a taxi, and by a border. They smash the car, they stone the car, they abuse you verbally. The taxis have got rungus and swords, and if you tell them to please give me a chance, they abuse you and they harass you. So we need an emergency overhaul about this road, or otherwise we're going to court. These 25 malls, which have got 5,200 shops, are going to court very soon, and to get our rights, and this road to be opened by His Excellency the Governor. Kindly, the way you have cleaned the town recently, kindly come and clear up this road and open for businesses.
Jina naitwa Mohamud Yusuf. I'm the member of the Eastleigh Business Committee, and even I'm the chairman of the mall managers of this side, Jam Street. Kuna shida kubwa vile mmeelezwa, na hiyo shida tumelalamika, na hiyo malalamishi tumepeleka kila mali na kila ofisi. Kulingana na sisi tumeandika barua kadhaa ya signatures ya mall owners na mall managers both, tukishikamana na wale wauzaji wa hizi business community. Mpaka sasa hatupati majibu. Na last 3 years kazi ya hawking ya barabara imezidi. Kama mbele nalikuwa 1000 ama 2000, sasa ni double ama times 4 ama times 5. Na malalamishi yetu imeenda kila mahali, na barua zote tumeziandika ziko kila mahali. Hata kuna barua zingine tumepelekea kwa MCA ndio alikuwa anataka na peleke kwa governor, na sijui hata kama hizo barua zimefika kwa governor.